Dr. Zion, I say receive now. I say receive. I say receive. I say collect now. I say collect. You cannot be my daughter of Zion and you will not collect. All my daughters of Zion must collect. It is your turn to collect. I say collect by fire. I say collect now. I say collect now. Yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir, yes sir. I should go deeper. I will enter you deeper. All those men that are not seeing you, they come, they eat.
Where are you? Yes, stop. Yes, thank you, thank you, thank you. Where are you? Yes, stop.
Hello.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.